Joining us right now is Jeff Lewis, a constitutional lawyer. Great to see you again, Jeff. So the ban on TikTok is set to go into effect a week from today. Most of Friday's arguments focused on whether the law violates the First Amendment, and based on the questions the justices asked. Can you tell whether they are compelled to uphold the law banning TikTok?
Yeah, you can. The law is going to be upheld because most of the justices were not viewing this case as a First Amendment restriction on free speech. They were viewing this as a national security case and the United States protecting its national security.
So this is happening at a time when President-elect Donald Trump has voiced possible support for TikTok. Here's what Associate Justice Sonia Sotomayor had to say.
I am a little concerned that a suggestion that a president-elect or anyone else should not enforce the law when a law is in effect and has prohibited a certain action, that a company would choose to ignore enforcement on any assurance other than the change in that law.
So it sounds like preemptively she's saying, don't try it. But if, Trump is to try and save the app, dismiss any Supreme Court ruling that upholds the ban, then what?
Well, President Trump does have the power to buy TikTok sometime to either divest itself through spinning off from the Chinese government or to allow TikTok to assure national security personnel in the government that there's no real national security risk. But at the end of the day, I think TikTok is going to have to spin itself off to put the government at ease regarding the big national security issues.
Usually when things are matters of national security, it might be handled in other branches of government. This is quite unique, is it not, that this is a Supreme Court case?
It is unique for the government to come in and impose this really severe sanction of divest or you're banned. But the circumstances are unique in that you have one of four nations, China, Iran, North Korea, or Russia, owning a very powerful social media platform. So the circumstances do warrant this very unique action.
All right, constitutional law attorney Jeff Lewis, thank you so much. Great to see you again.